What are the best alternatives to oyster sauce for people who are vegetarian or vegan?
Looking for the perfect vegetarian or vegan substitute for oyster sauce? You've come to the right place. We'll explore some amazing options that will bring rich flavors to your dishes without compromising on your dietary preferences.
What is oyster sauce, and why would someone want a substitute?
Oyster sauce is a popular condiment used in Chinese and other Asian cuisines. It's made from oyster extracts, sugar, salt, and sometimes soy sauce. Vegetarians and vegans might want to avoid oyster sauce because it contains animal products, while others might be allergic to shellfish or simply prefer a different flavor profile.
What are some vegetarian and vegan alternatives to oyster sauce?
1. Mushroom stir-fry sauce, vegetarian oyster sauce. This savory sauce is made from shiitake mushrooms and provides a similar umami flavor to oyster sauce. It's perfect for stir-fries, marinades, and dipping sauces. 2. Soy sauce. A common alternative to oyster sauce, soy sauce provides a rich, salty flavor. You can mix it with a bit of sugar to mimic the sweetness of oyster sauce. 3. Tamari. A gluten-free alternative to soy sauce. Tamari is also made from fermented soybeans and offers a similar umami flavor. 4. Hoisin sauce. This sweet and tangy sauce is made from soybeans, garlic, chili, and sugar. Hoisin sauce has a thicker consistency and is perfect for glazing or as a dipping sauce. 5. Coconut aminos. A soy-free alternative made from the sap of coconut trees. Coconut aminos provide a slightly sweet and salty flavor that can work well as an oyster sauce substitute.
How do I use these alternatives in recipes?
In most cases, you can simply replace oyster sauce with your chosen alternative in equal amounts. For instance, if a recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, you can use 2 tablespoons of mushroom stir-fry sauce or soy sauce instead. However, it's important to taste as you go and adjust the seasoning to your preferences, as some alternatives may be sweeter or saltier than oyster sauce. Now that you're equipped with these fantastic vegetarian and vegan alternatives to oyster sauce, you can enjoy your favorite Asian dishes without compromising on flavor. Happy cooking!